In this video, we are going to talk about the crypto yield farming for beginners. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. So let's start. Yield farming is the process of using decentralized finance, DeFi, to maximize returns. Users lend or borrow crypto on a DeFi platform and earn cryptocurrency in return for their services. Yield farmers who want to increase their yield output can employ more complex tactics. For example, yield farmers can constantly shift their cryptos between multiple loan platforms to optimize their gains. Number 10. Cropper Finance. Cropper Finance, which is one of the best modest bunch of stages as of now accessible for Solana Abdicate Cultivating. Built on best of the Solana Organize, Cropper Finance offers a wide extent of DeFi administrations. In expansion to Abdicate Cultivating, this incorporates token swaps, liquidity pools, and staking. Right now, speculators can store stores into a CRP, Sol Cultivating Pool. CRP is the local token of the Cropper Finance ecosystem. Cropper Finance is additionally a well-known alternative for contributing in modern cryptocurrency dispatches from the Solana range. This ordinarily offers early speculators the most reduced cost conceivable, but vesting periods are ordinarily a necessity. Number 9. Huobi. Huobi could be a well-known crypto trade that provides double venture pools, which are comparable to surrender cultivating but with a turn. For occurrence, each double venture pool requires the speculator to store 2 crypto tokens. On Huobi, this continuously incorporates USDT. Be that as it may, the abdicate earned by the financial specialist will depend on the cost of the combine once the double venture expires. For occurrence, let's assume that an financial specialist picks for BTC, USDT with a strike cost of $28,000. In the event that BTC, USDT closes over $28,000 on expiry, the financial specialist will win over 123%. The speculator will lose cash on the off chance that the combine closes underneath the strike cost. Misfortunes change depending on the cost at the time of expiry. Huobi bolsters different chains for its double venture item, counting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Torrential Slide, and Solana. Number 8. Binance. Like numerous Abdicate Cultivating pools, Binance offers a share of collected exchanging expenses. This means that an active salary can be earned for as long as the financial specialist has reserves within the individual surrender cultivating pool. Binance may be an awesome choice in this respect, considering it's the biggest crypto trade for exchanging volume. This implies that most Abdicate Cultivating pools come with adequate liquidity levels. We moreover found that Binance can be an incredible alternative for winning tall yields. Reasonable yields can moreover be earned on cultivating pools containing 2 large cap tokens. Number 7. Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance could be a prevalent decentralized fund stage with DeFi different administrations, counting surrender cultivating. The stage is exceptionally user-friendly, making it reasonable for all involvement levels. The endless larger part of surrender cultivating pools are advertised by means of the Bend convention. A few of which come with tremendous winning potential. For case, DYDX, ETH and Center, ETH as of now Abdicate evaluated returns of 500% and 291% respectively. Most Abdicate cultivating pools come with a boost of 2.5 times. Another prevalent winning item on Yearn Finance is vaults. These are comparable to staking, as it were one kept token is required. Stablecoins are upheld, with vaults on DAI, USDC, and USDT paying around 4.3%, 2.7%, and 1.5% separately. Number 6. Aave. AAVE is an open-source liquidity convention that provides surrender cultivating administrations. It offers cross-chain usefulness, meaning that AAVE empowers financial specialists to win pay on numerous blockchain systems at the same time. In expansion to Ethereum, systems AAVE underpins incorporate Polygon, Torrential Slide, Positive Thinking, and Arbitrum. The stage has over $7.7 billion in TVL over these 5 blockchain networks. Some of the foremost prevalent coins cultivated on AAVE include DAI, LUSD, USD Coin, TAI, and Balancer. It is additionally conceivable to stake AAVE tokens, which are local to the stage. As is the case with other Abdicate cultivating stages, gaining rates change depending on the match. Staking is additionally well known on AAVE, especially with those seeking above-average rates. Number 5. Pancake Swap. Pancake Swap is considered by many investors to be the most excellent surrender cultivating crypto stage for Binance Keen Chain (BSC) tokens. Rather like Uniswap and Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap could be a decentralized trade. In expansion to yield cultivating, Pancake Swap moreover underpins staking pools and decentralized exchanging. Additionally, Pancake Swap is regularly the go-to trade for modern cryptocurrencies that have been launched. According to Pancake Swap, more than 1.5 million clients have conducted 18 million exchanges within the final 30 days. In addition, Pancake Swap as of now has $2.9 billion in TVL. In addition, Pancake Swap as of now has $2.9 billion in TVL. DeFi surrender cultivating rates change broadly depending on the chosen combine. For case, a few of the leading yields are advertised on sets containing Cake, which is the native token of Pancake Swap. Number 4. Uniswap. Uniswap is another top-tier yield farming crypto platform that investors should consider. Founded in 2018, Uniswap is based on the Ethereum network. Therefore, it supports all ERC20 tokens for trading and yield farming. This means that investors have many options when choosing the right pair. 11. The most popular pairs include stablecoins such as USDC, ETH and DAI, USDC. The total value, TVL, of these pools is $291 million and $108 million respectively. Other popular pairs include WBTC, ETH, Frax, USDC and ETH, USDT. Like Sushi Swap, Uniswap also supports some of the best emerging cryptocurrencies. These pairs have higher returns, but also higher risk. As a decentralized exchange, yield farming can be accessed anonymously. Investors can start the process by simply connecting to their wallet. Uniswap is also one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges for trading tokens. Number 3. OKX. OKX is primarily known for its exchange services, but it is also one of the best crypto platforms for yield farming at the moment. This service is offered on a decentralized exchange wing of the platform that offers various Web3 tools. What I really like about OKX is that it supports yield farming pools across multiple networks. These include Ethereum, Arbitrum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon and others. Moreover, OKX is one of the highest yielding crypto platforms for investors looking for high APY. For low-risk couples, consider OKX's yield farming stablecoin. For example, USDC, WETH currently yields 4.7%. Another option for OKX is to deposit crypto tokens in stake pools. This also gives you a high profit yield. Number 2. Sushi Swap. Sushi Swap is widely recognized as one of the best yield farming crypto platforms on the market today. This decentralized exchange offers a number of services such as trading, staking and yield farming. Sushi Swap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and supports over 400 tokens. Being a decentralized exchange, no registration or provision of personal data is required. Instead, investors can link their cryptocurrency wallets to the platform and start yield farming their favorite pairs. Sushi Swap has ample liquidity, currently exceeding his $665 million. This provides investors with a significant opportunity to increase agricultural yields in a fully functioning market. There are hundreds of pairs to choose from for your yield farming pool. Most are pegged to either ETH or USDT. ILV ETH offers an estimated yield of 10.85% to give you an insight into the interest rate at the time of writing. USDC, ETH and WBTC, ETH offer 5.45% and 0.44% respectively. To get started with Sushi Swap, users can connect to her supported wallets such as MetaMask, Trust and Gnosis. Then select the appropriate yield farming pair and confirm the transaction via your wallet. Investors can withdraw tokens and rewards from Sushi Swap at any time. Considering the decentralized exchange system, getting the right token from Sushi Swap is also hassle-free. Number 1. itoro. itoro is a regulated broker that offers staking tools that are a great alternative to yield farming. Why? Yield farming requires an investor to deposit 2 different crypto tokens, while staking only requires him to have one. itoro currently supports his 3 top stake coins, Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, and Tron, TRX. When you purchase any of these coins from itoro, your wager rewards are automatically credited to your account. This is after a short grace period. For example, Tron and Cardano staking rewards start 7 days after him and 9 days after him respectively. Itoro does the basics behind the scenes, so no prior knowledge of staking is required. Wagering bonuses of up to 90% are available depending on the customer's loyalty level. We also like that itoro provides a snapshot of his clients' wagering every 24 hours. This allows customers to track how much they are earning. itoro distributes bonuses directly to the customer's account balance each month. Unlike traditional yield farming platforms, itoro is regulated by the most reputable financial institutions. These include FINRA, US, ASIC, Australia, CYSEC, Cyprus, and FCA, UK. This ensures that the customer's wagering balance remains safe at all times. Even people who don't use cryptocurrencies can easily shop with itoro. The platform accepts various forms of fiat payment, from e-wallets and bank transfers to debit, credit cards. However, this fee does not apply to deposits made in USD. I also like that itoro has a minimum deposit requirement of just $10. In addition to the 3 staked coins mentioned above, itoro also supports some of the best altcoins. These include Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and 90 others. itoro also supports some of the best meme coins and some of the best fucking coins, so there is a cryptocurrency for every investment goal. Also, itoro is one of the best brokers to buy stocks and ETFs with 0% commission. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.